Hello, fellow diamond painters. It's DP Crazy Lady here, and it is 3:02 p.m. It is Tuesday, the 17th. Happy St. Patty's Day to y'all. 2026. Um, 2 days ago, our temperature was 69 degrees. Yesterday, it was 40 something. And last night, it dropped. We got snowed on, and it's been snowing off and on last night and today. So, uh, at least right now, it looks like the sun is out a little bit. Earlier, earlier it was like a whiteout right here. I couldn't see much out my window. Then it stopped, and the road's clear, but the yards are and the roofs and stuff are filled with snow, and the car and so on. But anyway, hope you're going to have a happy St. Patty's for those of you who celebrate it. My PR package showed up from Paintsomeway, and I thought I'd let you guys see this. Um, One is a painting, and the other is just an item. And the painting that I have in here, um, oh, Bianca from Queen DP ended up having one too. It's amazing. It's like we all have the same taste, I guess. But I wanted to try a partial, so I thought, okay, we'll do a partial. So, I've been working on squares, full coverage, everything, and it's like, oh man, I need something a little more relaxing. And Paintsomeway has been so good to me. They sent me a little extra that I asked for, and with the way the economy is in shipping and everything else, I really appreciate that they did that. So I hope you can see this because I cannot see the camera. But this is Paintsomeway. It is a 30 by 30 centimeter. Um, I'm going to roll it backwards so that you can see it better. So hang in there. Okay. Here it is. I hope you can see it because the way my camera is, I don't know. It's a 30 by 30. It is an Oriental lady umbrella and a pagoda. I really, really like this when I seen it on there. And I love the specialty drills, the ones that look like little pearls or little teardrops. I just really love this. I hope you're able to see it. I can't see a thing. So that's a 30 by 30. These are the drills. I'll probably be working on this later this evening. So you'll get an update in a couple days on it finished. Then naturally there's a boat, wax, a pen, and there are some beautiful, oh, I love the colors. Oh yeah. You can see the pink, that pretty aquamarine. This is black. There's a gold, a silver, the little pearl dots. Here's the teardrops. If I'm in the camera. And there's some white teardrops. So those are really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. I love specialty jewels. I save whatever's left. I don't know why. Never know when I may need them, but I do have them. I have tons of them, as a matter of fact. So, thank you, Paintsomeway, very, very much. I love this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I love I love the style of it. I know my one sister really loves Oriental. So, excuse me. The other thing that I wanted to try, because I thought this would be good if some of y'all are interested in other products or products other than just diamond painting. Because Paintsomeway has, other things. It's not just, diamond paintings. So you need to look into their other products, pens and scissors and rulers, things like that. And I thought this would be interesting for some of you who have pens. And they have this in several colors, several different shades. And I really, really wanted to show it to y'all. It's not huge, so it's not going to take up a lot of table space, so you don't have to worry about that. Of course, I chose it in a purple because that's an iridescent, that's what I wanted. And this is a perfect size. This is really, I hope it's being viewed. Okay, I'll have to review I'll have to review to make sure, but this is beautiful. I wanted to see, there we go. I've got several pens, and I am tired of them, excuse me, falling down. They're everywhere. I have them everywhere. And it's like every time I bump into my shelf, I knock them down. You can put them in any hole there. I mean, I really like this. I really, really like this. Yeah, this is going to be a good item. Now, these down here, I found out when I looked at the picture. I'll show you a second if I can find. Okay. There's there, and I don't have any right here, but it's for your accessories. Like, your tips. You can set your certain tips in there. Whichever tips, that you're using. You can put them in there. And that way you can just pick out your tips. I had the little thing over here, and don't you know, it disappeared. But anyway, that's what that's for. To, see, you can put your tips in there so whatever ones you want to use at the time. I don't have any multi-placers because I don't use them. So, and this, I guess you use just for whatever, you want to set there, your wax, or something. It's for whatever use you have. But I really like this because then I can put my pens somewhere where They won't fall out, won't tip over. So I want to thank Paintsomeway for this. I really like it. It's not a bad, I mean, it's a nice design product. So you need to give it, you need to look at it. I'll put the links in the description below, and give them a, give it a look. You never know what you're going to find there. So thank you so much, Paintsomeway. I really appreciate, you allowing me to show your products. So it's a pen stand, a drill pen stand, and the beautiful Oriental lady, size 30 by 30, 8 specialty drills. So I hope you all are going to have a good day. It's becoming a whiteout again out there. I can see it. Thank goodness I have nowhere to go. So you all have a good one. Hugs to you all. I will get back with you in a couple days. So, love you. DP Crazy Lady. I'm out.